Guys, I am lit for today's install. Today's unit comes from Pizazz Hair and they sent over a body wave wig, and can I just say that I feel like it's been so long since I've tried such a high quality body wave wig. Like, I'm just living for this whole entire process right now because the hair was just it was everything for me, okay? I don't know how to say that. If you are a girly girl, I mean, if you're that girl and you wear, by the way, wigs, you get where I'm coming from, okay? Okay, so let's just get started. So I am moving on with the hot comb. You know, we got to get the roots straight because this unit came pretty full around the hairline, and I feel like my plucking technique works a whole lot better when I first start off with my hot comb and just get the roots real straight. So I was kind of going back and forth at the beginning, if you saw, trying to figure out what type of hairstyle I want to do. At first I was thinking half up, half down do, but then I was just like, sometimes I really don't like how half up, half down hairstyles look on me. So I was like, maybe we just need to try something else different. So I decided on a side part with a little bit of dramatic edges. So that's what we're working on. So since I knew that like my bang was going to fall in my face on the other side, because I'm doing a right side part. Since I was doing the right side part, I only focused on the area where my parting space and my edges slash baby hairs were going to be with plucking this wig out. I feel like if I decide to style this wig up another way in the future, then that's when I will focus on plucking the area out. Yes, I am that girl. I am the one who I only pluck in areas that are necessary. I'm not about to sit here and take 30 to 45 minutes on plucking the whole frontal out. I don't want to do that. It takes too much time. So I'm showing you guys a shorter way. If it ain't going to be showing, honey, it ain't no reason to go over there, you know? So anyways, I am working on getting that side pretty thinned out so that way it looks real natural, realistic. You can see my scalp, lace. We just want to make sure that is what is seen and that it's just giving nothing but scalp. So there's that close up. And I think that looks pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Now if you want to thin it out some more, be my guest to thin out your hair some more, but I was about to do that. So anyways, I am going in with my hot comb again because we want to make sure we get all the excess hair out. We want to make sure the roots are nice and straight because now we're about to work on getting the lace cut off and getting the wig in place, like stuck in place. So I'm going to use some Ebin spray and make sure I'm pretty generous with that product, and then I'm going to tie it down with my elastic band.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside.
So now we got all the lace cut off. We are going to add a little bit more spray and tie it down. And now we get to work on the parting space. So I got my parting space pretty close to where the tracks are starting because this isn't like a full, what do you call that? I can't remember what it's called right now at the top of my head, but basically I can give myself a side part, but I am limited to how far back it goes because it's not that much space. So anyways, it was placed perfectly. So now that I have my parting space where I want it to be, I am going back in, of course, with that hot comb. Y'all gonna see me pick up this hot comb so many times because it's just key. It's staple at this point, okay? So once I get the roots nice and flat, then I'm gonna work on my baby hairs next. Now that the roots are nice and flat, we can go ahead and start adding some curls. I use my flat iron to get my curls together, and you see they come out just as pretty. I feel like they're not as defined, but they are there. I like to focus my flat iron curls more towards the end of my hair, versus if I want full curls all the way throughout my entire head, I would go for like my curling one or something like that. So I went on Pinterest and I found this picture of this girl with like two swoops on the side of her head with a parting space. So that was what I was trying to mimic today, and I think it came out pretty good considering this is my first time ever doing this style. You guys let me know what you think of these little two swoops on the side.
Yeah. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, all my sleep.
So once I finished my swoops, I was like, okay, I need a little bit more scalpage showing at the front. It looked pretty full compared to where my baby hairs were, so everything needs to, like, you know, mellow each other out. It all needs to match in a sense, if you get what I'm saying. So that is why I'm working on this part of the hairline, because I want to make sure that it is still as stand out as the rest of the hair that is exposed. Yes, again, I say this is a very tedious part as well. But once I get those last few finishing touches done of plucking out my hairline, now I'm just going to make sure I got my curls nice and ready to go. And that's the end of the install. So you guys let me know what you think of today's wig. I thought it came out really cute. I feel like it's a good little everyday style, you know. It's that girl to go to if you feel like you just want to be natural with it. It's just a regular natural color, body wave, add curls, straighten it out. You can do middle part, side part, you know, the versatility options. And I feel like the most top tier thing about this is that it is a nice, full, high quality wig. Like, I didn't have any shedding going on. It was fitting my head real nice in size. I'm pleased. I mean, Pizazz Hair, you got a new fan over here. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.